here at Unique, especially in classics. Convertible even, 1988. Interesting color too. Cool look on this car. Dark red metallic, number 74. Saddle leather interior with a saddle vinyl convertible top. Of course, the TPI 5.7 liter 350 underneath the hood. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, a little over 100,000 miles on this C4. Let you get a good look at the paint on the hood, front fascia. Considering miles and age, shows well, but you are going to have imperfections here and there, obviously, with a car that has been driven. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the underside, take your time looking through the still pictures on this car, probably over 100 still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Goodrich radials. Factory Corvette wheels. This does have the Z52 sport handling package, of course, AC, power steering, power brakes. I have not had the electronic climate controls working for the AC, FYI. Kind of same with the radio. Will power up, but does have the Delco system in it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Included in the purchases of this vehicle will be a car cover. We'll stash in the storage compartment behind the seats. I don't know if you'd necessarily call it a trunk. And you can see that compartment I'm talking about in the interior and the undersides at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side. Be a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive paired up with that tune port injected 5.7 liter. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the saddle leather interior. As you can see, appears to be some aftermarket interior inlays. Wipers do work. Controllers on the driver's door there. Let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run. Check out the dash readout. There you can see the RPM or tach does work. It was a cold start, so we're just at 100 degrees in the temperature indoors. There's your exact miles, 101, 376. No warning indicators or anything like that, just the fact I have the door ajar and did not close it. AM/FM cassette. Again, it is the Delco system. I did not get it to power up as far as volume. It will power up to AM and FM. Not get volume out of it. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. There you go. All right. Let some of the traffic clear out a little bit back here. All right. We'll pause this a second and open this hood so you can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
5.7 liter 350 tune port injected. Small blocks, yep. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC has been converted, but like I said, not had that work. Looks like a new alternator. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Looking for a Corvette. Not going to break the bank like Corvettes are priced these days. Wow. Here it is, 1988 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. 507-386-1726 is the number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate before entering